Hi, Jamie here from Venluree Blinds and Curtains. Welcome to the Canterbury Home Show, and here at the Home Show we've got a myriad of different products. We're introducing this product here, which is called, I'll just move Jimmy out the way. This is called the Magic Curtain. It's a brand new product, first time in New Zealand it's been introduced, and as you can see you can do all sorts of weird and wonderful things with this here. So walk right the way through it, do anything you want with it, push it back and forward. And it also comes down to a complete block out if you want as well. So amazing new product. It's absolutely going off here at the Home Show with this new product. And as you can see through here, we've got a huge array of different fabrics on display. We carry a full range of fabrics. And curtains, we can get fabrics from any manufacturer in New Zealand. We've got a load of samples. The other thing that we have, of course, is blinds. Venluree are famous for their blinds. And at their Home Show here, the Canterbury Home Show, we've got a myriad of different options, including remote control blinds. Okay, so you want to stop it and off it goes. At the moment we're charging this up. This is one of our new battery powered ones. It's just been plugged up at the top up here to charge it. Take that out and it's fully charged and off we go again. We can have them all sorts of different remotes, different hardware, the whole lot. And as you can see, we've got the honeycombs, rated as the best thermal blind in the New Zealand market. The new modern vertical blinds with no chains, Venetian blinds, the whole gamble, and also of course shutters, which are the most popular product at the Home Show at the moment. And so come on down to the Canterbury Home Show. We look forward to seeing you and can't wait to meet you. Look forward to it.